Ladies and gentlemen, sponsored by Kubota and Crown Tower from Columbia, Missouri, the first ever Grandmaster's Backhoe Rodeo. That Howard is going to mount the machine and he's going to show you what these guys are going to have to do. And what they got to do is they have to do all of these activities within this circle, and the one who gets the fastest time will end up being the one winner, the Grand Master, who takes home the $1,000 grand prize, the trophy, and the jacket courtesy Kubota. Now, first thing that they will have to do, they will have to pick up that football. I think you can see it up on the screen behind me. You can't actually see it. They've got to pick up this football and drop it into a trash can. If they knock that pylon over, they have to do a reset. Start over. Where'd it go? And then they have to pick up this T handle. They have to turn it first so they can grab that T handle with the teeth at the tractor. But that's not really the challenge. Here's what they got to do after that. They have to take that thing that they picked up and they got to play the game of operation. They've got to move that through that device that they're in front of without knocking off any of those balls or tearing apart the devices. Let's see if Howard can pull this off. Howard pulled it through. He got it through there. And I think, ladies and gentlemen, he got it through. Then we got to set that tire down squarely in that box in the next part as we move counterclockwise through the circle. And he's got to set it in the box, then you got to grab that basketball, and that basketball's got to go into the tub. Now what they'll find is this basketball is bouncy. So they got to drop it in that tub just right, or else it comes right back out. Let's see if Howard can pull this out. And he's got it in, and got it out. Then the last thing that they got to do in this circle is they have to pick up the fire hydrant and set it into the hole. Very good. You got it, baby. We've been practicing. Got it in there. All you got to do is gently set it down. And I believe Howard. He can do it. Now let's see if our competitors can tell you who our competitors are today. We've got Rick Dobbs from Wayne Butler, number 4. Donald Daniel from Stoddard County, number 6. Rex Brinker from Clay County, Public Water Supply District, number 8. And Growlin Ron Brockhouse from Johnson County, PWSD, number 2. Bob Hatley, Oregon County, number 2. Josh Edson, Clay County, number 8. Pete Hogan of Hogan. And last but not least, Rare and Roger Barker from Davies County.